On behalf of Padma Shri Shankar Bapu Abaikaugar English School, we roll down a carpet of welcome for all our respected dignitaries, guests, parents, invitees, well-wishers and students for the celebration of 21st Annual Day function for the academic year 2023-24. The chief guest has arrived. Honorable chief guest and respected dignitaries are being escorted by the school band troupe and students.
दीपज्योति परम ज्योतिः दीपज्योति जनार्दनः दीपो हरति मे पापं दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते शुभं करोतु कल्याणं आरोग्यं सुखसंपदः द्वेषबुद्धिविनाशाय आत्मज्योतिः नमोस्तुते आत्मज्योतिः प्रदीप्ताय ब्रह्मज्योतिः नमोस्तुते ब्रह्मज्योतिः प्रदीप्ताय गुरुर्ज्योतिः नमोस्तुते. परमेश्वराच्या अधिष्ठानाशिवाय कुठलाही कार्यक्रम पूर्णच होऊ शकत नाही. दिव्याच्या या प्रकाशाने आमचे समस्त पाप दूर हो, या दिव्याने आमच्या जीवनात सर्वच कल्याणमय हो, तसेच सर्वांना आरोग्य आणि सुखसंपत्ती मिळो, सर्व प्रकारची द्वेषबुद्धीचा विनाश हो, या पूजनाने सर्वांमध्ये ऊर्जेचा उत्साहाचा संचार हो.
Now we will have our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony. I request all dignitaries to pay tribute to Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. Light the lamp.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
सर्व प्रेक्षकांना विनंती आहे, टाळ्यांच्या गजरामध्ये दीपप्रज्वलनाचा सोहळा त्यांनी बघावा. मी सर्व प्रमुख अतिथींना दीपप्रज्वलन करण्याची विनंती करते.
या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेत शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Big round of applause. Thank you, respected dignitaries.
Wow, what a fabulous performance it was! Vallav re nakhwa, vallav vallav, vallav re nakhwa, vallav vallav. What are you singing? Can you just tell me about it? Yes, Vallav re nakhwa is called the fisherman of our state who preserves the treasure of our sea and celebrate the occasions by wearing traditional clothes and by singing song. Jingalala hur hur, jingalala hur hur. Hey, what kind of sound is this? This sound is made by the tribal people whom we call Adivasis stay in forest or jungle to protect our mother nature and bounties of the forest. In Maharashtra, the Bills, the Gods and the Warils recognize tribals. Can you tell me some more information about Kori people? Yes, for sure. But you also have to tell me about Maharashtra called Adivasi. Do you know, Savesh? The Koli people live throughout Maharashtra and are mostly farmers, fishermen and cultivators in the districts of Mumbai, Thane, Raigad and Ratnagiri. The Kolis are known for their traditional folk songs and dances.
Then which is the festival Koli people celebrate?
The Koli community observe a variety of occasions that are significant to their cultural history throughout the year. The most important celebrations are Naradi Purnima, Navratri, Diwali and Holi. The Kolis are renowned for their traditional folk songs and dances. Now it's your turn.
Yes, why not? Do you know what is the Adivasi culture?
No, please explain me.
Okay, Adivasi have a vast knowledge of traditional medicine and treat illnesses using herbs, roots and tree barks. They are nature-loving, happy people.
How tribes are important to the societies?
Tribals have a strong connection with nature with traditional beliefs and practices that revolve around forest and animals. Tribals are known for their unique art forms including pottery, weaving, jewelry making, even Adivasi dance also very famous.
Now let's watch the folk dance form of Standard 4 Kaveri section student.
Thank you.
या कोली बराची शान आई तुझ्या देऊला
या कोळीवाल्याची शान आहे तुझं देऊला आमचे कोळी लोकांचा मान आहे तुझं देऊला आमचे कोळी लोकांचा मान आहे तुझं देऊला
दर्यावरी आमची ढोले होरी घेऊन माशांच्या ढोलीनं आम्हा जातीचे कोली दर्यावरी आमची ढोले होरी घेऊन माशांच्या ढोलीनं आम्हा जातीचे कोली
मी हाय कोली सोरील्या डोली मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मारतीन कोली हानल्यान गोली गचल जाऊ बाजारी
तरी काटे
विठोबा माझा